So, fellow couponers, I wanted to share my haul for the week of January 14th through the 20th, 2018 at CVS Pharmacy. As you might know, if you're a subscriber to our channel, guidetocouponing.com, or it's youtube.com/guide-to-couponing, I like to do my transactions in smaller chunks, and then that helps me keep track of what I'm doing with my coupons a little bit better. So I did 3 transactions tonight, and I have them set up here for you. The first transaction was these 2 deals. Well, actually, the whole blends required that you buy 3 to get the extra care bucks, so I only bought 2 in this transaction and then 2 in the second transaction. So I'll explain that after the fact. So this is my receipt from that transaction. As you can see, I saved 100%, and I'm going to kind of walk you through what I did. So this, I always print out a Excel spreadsheet, and then when I come home, I get them, I basically organize it so that it reflects what happened in the transaction. So this first one, I got the 2 Tresemme for $5 each, the Dove DermaCare hair care for $5.49. There was a $3 Tresemme coupon, and there was a $2 Dove coupon, $2 whole blends coupons. When you bought 2, you got on the whole blends it was 2 for $7, so they ended up being $3.50 each. This is something new that CVS started last year. I really can't stand it. But as you can see, the Tresemme is, they're $5.49 each or buy 2 for $10. And it used to be that just one would ring up for $5 because they're on sale for 2 for $10, but now they require that you buy 2. But what I really dislike about it is how it rings up at the register. So if anyone from CVS Corporate is watching this video, I would sincerely appreciate this being changed in the computer system, because it's very confusing to cashiers when, for example, there's a buy one, get one free coupon, and they will mark it down for either $5.49 or $4.51, when really the sale price is $5, so it's buy one, get one free. The coupon should be valued at $5. And I call it extra care, and they confirm that, but it's very hard when you're at the register and the cashier's confused and there's people behind you. It's embarrassing. So I really appreciate CVS Corporate getting that corrected. Okay, so from that transaction, oh, I also had a 4 off 18 hair shampoo, conditioner, styler coupon. I actually got 2 of those this week on my CVS app, which I don't know why I did, but you can see I used it again this second transaction because I got 2 of them. So from the Tresemme, I got $5 back. So I spent a $10 extra care buck that I had from my last trip and got $5 back. So this whole transaction cost me $2.24, and the reason why is because I will get 10% back on each of these from Beauty Club rewards, and Beauty Club is when you buy $30 worth of products, you get $3 back. Okay, so then I went on to do this transaction, which includes the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, the Garnier whole blends, this Maybelline deal, and then I had to buy this Twix thing as a filler. I thought that this is again that situation with the the computer system that drives me crazy. I thought in my head, I was like, oh, it's $1.50. Nope, it's $1.77 since I didn't buy 2 for $3. So anyway, it ended up being a bad filler situation. And when I talk about filler items, I mean, like, actually, that's a good example. In this transaction, the shelf tag on the Dove DermaCare said that it was $6.49. So I thought I would owe $10.49, but I ended up owning $9.49. So I wasted 51 cents of my extra care buck that was $10 because I didn't double check this price before it rang up at the register. So it would have been ideal to have a 50-cent filler item to throw in there so that I could use the entirety of my 10 extra care bucks. Okay, so on this deal, let's see. So the L'Oreal was $4.99 each. The Garnier, again, $3.50 each. The Maybelline, $3.99, and the Twix, $1.77. The L'Oreal, I had a $4 off 2 coupon, a $1 off manufacturer coupon. That's why that's in yellow. Came off from my couponing app, and then another $2 manufacturer's coupon, $2, $2, $1, $1. And you can look all of these up on coupontom.com. I'll include a link in the About section below where these coupons are located and which Smart Source, Red Plum, or Procter & Gamble they're located. So then I had a $4 off 18 shampoo coupon. And then printing for everyone this week is a Maybelline or L'Oreal, $3 off any L'Oreal Maybelline cosmetic. Then you can see the Beauty Club rewards, the extra care bucks I got back. So the Garnier Whole Blends was buy 3, get, $3. So that's why I ended up getting $3 on the second transaction because I had bought the 2. They track from one transaction to the next. So for this transaction, the second transaction, I had to spend $11.72 in extra care bucks. So I had $11. So with tax, it ended up being 76 cents. And then obviously I got the 25 cents back because I gave them $1.01. My savings in this situation was 98%. All right, now moving on to the third one. I got the Garnier Olia, is that how you say it, hair color, because CVS right now has a hair club deal where if you buy 7, you get 1 free. And that whole deal, whatever, has been going on for several months, and it's been very profitable for me because of the Beauty Club rewards. So you can see here, I'm at 48, so I only needed to buy 1 of those to get the hair club deal all settled. And so the next time that I go to CVS, probably like 2 days, that free hair color will print, which is gold because it takes off a full $9 if you're buying hair color. So, for example, if I was buying the Olia, which is $10.49, it would take off the $9. So then the hair color is $1.49. But I could also then use the $3 manufacturer's coupon, and the leftover would apply to other items in my cart. So and also you'd get the 10% Beauty Club rewards back as well. So it's a good gig, people. It's a good gig. There's a deal with Simple, Suave, St. Ives, and I think one more, where you buy $12 worth and you get $4 back. So I went ahead and did that because I had coupons for both of those. Whenever I have a manufacturer's coupon and a CVS coupon, I try my best to figure out a deal that will work for them, because that's your ideal situation. Especially if you've got a manufacturer's coupon, a CVS coupon, and they count for Beauty Club rewards, and there's extra care bucks. That's like a 4 times savings type of thing. So the Dawn and this little 3-pack of small gift bags these were just filler items because of the extra care bucks I had. I like to spend extra care bucks in all my transactions. I don't like to ever pay cash. So you can see on the Olia, I had 2 $3 manufacturer coupons and a $4, I think it was a $4 off 2 or $4 off 12. Yeah, it was a $4 off 12 Garnier hair color coupon. And then I did the Suave body wash, And the Simple Face Wipes, these were buy one, get one half off. So that's why, you know, I got 2 Suave body washes and I got 2 Simple Cleansing Facial Wipes. But the reason why they're different prices on my sheet is because they're buy one, get one half off. So there was a $3 coupon for the Simple, and the reason, and a $4 coupon off of any Simple Facial is what I had. The reason these 2 are in yellow is because I had a $2 off Suave body wash coupon that adjusted itself down to 22 cents. And then this $1.50 came off from my couponing app that's tied to my card, and it's $1.50 off face scale. I have no idea what that is. Didn't know it was on my card. So that's one of the tricky things that's new about couponing at CVS is you don't always know what the computer is going to do. So I thought I was going, I don't know. I wish that I would have added $2 more to my cart, or, you know, gotten $2 more of the Christmas clearance or something, so that that $2 off Suave body wash would not have been wasted. That was somewhat disappointing for me. Okay, so here we go, folks. I spent $34.98 in product. I didn't add that up. $10.75 in manufacturer's coupons, $8.22 in CVS coupons. I'll get back $3.37 in Beauty Club. That's that $9 hair club coupon I was talking about, and then I'll get 9 extra care bucks. So this ended up being a profitable transaction. I profited $5.30. I profited $7.28 on that one, and spent $2.24 on that one. So if we bring in the totals, this is all 3 transactions in one. Today, all of this stuff cost, if I were to pay out of pocket for it, go to the store and buy it all, it would have been $89.19 plus tax. But I had $32.75 manufacturer's coupons, $19.22 CVS coupons. I'll get back $8.61, which will probably be $6, and then the $2.61 will be for the next $3 Beauty Club rewards. I'll get that $9 hair color coupon. I got $30 back in extra care bucks. So, and I spent $37.22 in extra care bucks. So my savings and my profit today was $10.39. So there you have it, folks. That's what I did today. Let me know, guys, what you think of my videos. They take a lot of time to put together, to, like, obviously go to the store, which I'm already going to do anyway, so that's not that big of a deal. But to lay all these out and then talk about how I did them, circle all of this, lay all this out, do all this on the Excel spreadsheet to show you what happened, and then, you know, edit it, load it up on YouTube, make sure it gets out there, is a lot of work, and I want to make sure it's worth my while. I want to make sure that you guys are understanding it, that I'm, you know, am effective in the way that I'm communicating. So let me know what you think works or what you find helpful. I'd really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Helps my channel grow and helps me bring you more videos like this. We'll see you next time.